Hey there, are you looking to bring your idea to life? I'm Sid, and my team and I can make it a reality regardless of the project size. From ideation to release, we take care of everything. We even provide post launch help. That means optimization, publishing, and everything that goes along with it. If you're just looking for a quick prototype, we can help with that too. Once you tell us about your project, we'll discuss budget and timeline. After we agree on the deliverables, we'll start working on your project immediately. You'll even get a link to our team task board so you can track our progress as we work on your project. We'll provide design suggestions and even help you plan out your entire project. That's because we see ourselves as a strategic partner in your journey. And the extra effort that we'll put in your project will clearly be visible in the end result. The reviews on my profile are a testament to the quality of our products. You can even check out our portfolio in my profile. Don't wait, start a conversation with me right now because we want to bring your idea to life.